Welcome. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to view YouTube comment history on mobile. So, if you're using iOS and Android, you can follow these simple steps. So first, you cannot see your YouTube comment history on the YouTube app. So, you want to open a browser, Google Chrome or Safari, whatever you want. Then, you need to search for google.com. And then you want to click on this AA on the upper left side of your screen, and then click request desktop website. And then after that, you just need to wait. And then you can click on this three little lines on the upper left side of your screen. Then click history, and then after that you can see here on the right side of your screen the manage all history, and you need to click comments. So this may take a while. So here you just need to wait this. So here you can see your history comments if you have one. So I don't have one, so I cannot see anything. So as you can see here, no activity. Some activity may not appear yet. So that's it. That is how you view your YouTube comment history on mobile. I hope this video helps, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.